Good evening, everyone. My name is Steve Quizera, and I'm introducing my final project called TrainAnyWhere for CS50's Introduction to Python Programming. My GitHub username is SKP225. Again, that's SKP225. And my edX username is squizera914. Again, that's squizera914. I'm currently in Yonkers, New York, in the United States of America, and today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2026. Again, the project I'm introducing today is called TrainAnyWhere. It's an app for busy people that allows you and reminds you basically to train with whatever equipment and space that you have at the current moment in time, no matter what. So let me show you how the current interface works. This is the current code base, and I'll just go ahead and go into the project folder. And we're going to go ahead and just run the project, and I'll give you an example. So let's say my goal for today is toning. I'm going to go ahead and enter that. What kind of equipment is the next question that I have to input as the user? Um, let's say I have a yoga mat, and we can put in multiple equipments. And let's say I have kettlebell. What kind of space do I have? Let's say I have a medium space. What kind of environment? Let's say maybe I have access to outdoor. And my workout style was, since I'm toning, maybe I want to do some strength training. And then what kind of difficulty? Let's say I'm intermediate, right? Maybe I'm used to working out in the past and I just haven't recently, but now I'm remembering I have 30 minutes, so I'm trying to get some recommendations. So after entering all that information, we do get a recommendation for resistance band, full body circuit. Um, and it's matched for these answers. And some suggested workout moves are band squats, band rows, band chest press, band lateral walks, band pull aparts. And these are the specific recommended exercises. Of course, in the future, we'll have a user interface and more information in the recommendations, etc. Finally, the user gets the option to save the recommendation, and it saves as a text file if you do. And that's it. So that was TrainAnyWhere. Thanks, everyone. Bye bye.